In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your Squarespace navigation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, clickable item to your menu that points to an external site, an internal page, a file, an email address, or even a phone number. Start by signing into your Squarespace account so you're on the main dashboard for your site. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've opened the correct one. From the left-hand sidebar, click Website to open your site's configuration area. This is where you'll manage core content and design settings. Next, head into Pages. This is the control center for your navigation. Here you'll see your visible navigation areas, like the header or footer menus, and any hidden or unlinked sections your site may use. Make sure you're in the section where you want the new link to appear so it shows up in the right place on your live site. Now add a new item by clicking the plus icon. A menu of options will appear for different content types. Choose link. This tells Squarespace you're creating a navigation item that points somewhere rather than a full page you build inside the platform. Give your link a clear name in the title field. Whatever you type here is exactly what visitors will see in your menu, so keep it short, recognizable, and action-friendly. Think along the lines of blog, shop, resources, or contact, depending on what you're linking to. If you're sending people to an external site, paste or type the full URL in the URL field. Include the proper prefix so it's a valid web address. Squarespace will handle the rest once you save. If you're not linking to an external site, open the drop-down inside the link settings. From there, you can point the menu item to an existing page on your site, a file you want people to download, an email address for quick contact, or a phone number for tap to call on mobile devices. This is a great way to keep your navigation tidy while still offering direct access to key actions. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new link will appear in the navigation section you were working in and will be immediately available to preview. Take a quick look on your live site or in preview mode to confirm the label reads well and the link takes visitors exactly where you intended. That's it. You've added a link to your Squarespace navigation quickly and cleanly using the built-in tools designed for both external and internal destinations. Thanks for watching and happy building.